Well, kumusta kayo mga idol? Ang ating mga panood sa video ito ay laban ni Mike Tyson versus Mitch Green. Pero bago natin umpisa ng video ito, kung bago ka pa lang sa aming munting channel, huwag kalimutan mag-subscribe at pag-hit na rin sa notification bell sa all para lagi tayo updated sa bago natin i-upload tulad nito. Maraming salamat po. Pero bago natin umpisa ng bakbakan ito, ay mag-intro muna tayo mga idol. Ating balikan ang naging laban ng tinagurian na Ironman Mike Tyson versus tinagurian cookie fighter na si Mitch Green, at alamin kung paano nga ba inawat ng referee ang bakbakan upang hindi lumala ang pinsala ng kalaban.
1. A boxer should do to a puncher. Keep that jam in his face and not be intimidated. That he didn't double up. He just was a little bit lazy, especially in the later rounds. 10 rounds. I had that same experience when I fought my first 10-round opponent. But being conditioned like Tyson,
he has them. He told us he definitely has a fear when he climbs in.
Is complaining about the head of Mike Tyson to Joe Frazier. Always aggressive, right in front of his man. Now we see some head movement by Mike Tyson. Frustrated fighter.
Good left.
3. He's going straight ahead. He's coming straight ahead. 5.
In the Tillis fight, he fought hard for about 5 rounds, and then he seemed to coast a little bit.
Look at the way he's lip punches.
Big right hand.
Fight up. Is to at least clear your head, or either to throw off his temper.
Can be learned in talking to some of the people he fought.
Look at here.
Just laughing at him. And Green seems to me, Ray, to be doing all the wrong things.
That's very good.
Day in the classroom, big left hand to end things.
Dito na po nagtatapos ang ating video. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panunod. Walang sawang suporta. Ikaw idol, ano masasabi mo sa bakbakang ito? Para sa inyong opinion, i-comment mo niyan sa ating comment section sa ibaba. At kung nagustuhan mo naman ang video ito, paiwan naman ako ng like at pasubscribe na rin sa ating munting channel. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. Sama kayo na rin lang, mag-ingat. God bless. Bye bye.